crowdfunding, I think it limits the will's power. People have to do donation to vote, not just use their dot lock. Currently, we lock our dot to vote, but in crowdfunding, people have to donate their tokens to vote. But there are problems that we how to incentivize donations. Yeah, but this is another problem. But we want to introduce the crowdfunding to current governance.
Polkadot Insider welcome Yongfeng Li. He is the co-founder of Subsquare.
Hello,
GM.
morning.
Nice to meet you. So before anything, could you please share with us about yourself, your background? How did you get into Web3?
Sure, I'm a developer.
You are a builder yourself.
Yeah, at the very first, I started my developing in Web3. It's just because of job. Yeah.
Job?
Job. My
Your
job.
job.
Yeah, my job is. I first listened about the crypto is in 2013.
Okay.
Yeah, my colleagues are buying Bitcoin. Yeah, at that time I think they are stupid, right? Stupid and don't know what they are
But very tempting.
empty. Okay, yes. I don't know what they are doing, and I think they are stupid. But
I see.
2016, I work in a financial company, a broker company. So I know some basic knowledges about financial systems, and then I have opportunities to work with some blockchain. Yeah.
2016, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's
2016.
when the
Yeah,
first time you hear about the concept of blockchain.
Yes.
I see.
Not concept of blockchain, but technology.
The technology.
Details.
I see.
Yeah. So at first I do some keyline system or something others, and I see the code of some blockchain system. Yeah. So this is very first experience. My very first experience about the blockchain, and then I start to read the code of Bitcoin. But after that, I still don't think it's very amazing. Yeah, but after maybe 2 or 3 years, I think about it. Not the code, but the financial philosophy behind this. I decided to spend all my time,
Yeah.
work in crypto area. Yeah, about Polkadot, I joined a startup company in 2018. Yeah.
2018.
So, yeah, in Polkadot.
In Polkadot.
Yeah.
I see. And since then, did you also you are also the co-founder of Opensquare?
No. That time I'm a developer, mainly in charge of DApps.
I see.
Some background services and some scripts like that. I started Opensquare in 2020, I think. Yeah, 2020. Mainly inspired by, I like Gitcoin very much. So I want to do some similar things in the Polkadot ecosystem. So this is about Opensquare, why I found Opensquare. I want to do the on-chain collaborations on blockchain or in Web3 based in Polkadot. Yeah, based on Polkadot. Yeah.
I see. So today we're going to talk more about Subsquare later. So I think the concept of decentralized governance is quite important. How do you see that concept in your own word? How do you say it?
First, I want to explain why we do Subsquare, but not the collaborations.
Sure.
Sure. Because it's not a good timing to do the collaborations. Currently there are not big enough users in this ecosystem. So we began to do the infrastructure products first before our vision, before our dream to do the collaborations on chain. So there are several reasons. First, we do the infrastructure products so we can get familiar with most of products and build our brand in this ecosystem. Yeah. So Second, we can get some funding from Treasury, so I can keep my team alive. Yeah, this is two reasons why we build infrastructures in Polkadot. So this is why we built Subsquare, Treasury, Syscan. Yeah. So let's get back to the question. Subsquare, decentralized governance. OpenGov itself is decentralized.
Yes.
Yeah. When I say decentralized governance, I'm talking about the option date, the discussion date. Currently, the democracy or referenda pilot is on chain, so it's OpenGov. It's decentralized. It's on blockchain. But currently, after user created a proposal, they add their connects on PoAssembly or Subsquare, and they have some comments also on these two platforms. But this data often stored in centralized database. So
started first.
Yeah. It's not decentralized. It's not Web3. So I mean, how should we make this data
On chain.
or decentralized or auditable? Yeah. We don't implement the decentralization for this data, but we take advantages of the current blockchain to make this data maybe auditable. Is more
auditable or auditable?
Auditable. Auditable. Make this data auditable. Maybe auditable is a better description for than decentralization. Yeah. It's auditable, but it's also decentralized because this option data is stored in a decentralized way. They are stored in blockchain, so we can make this data decentralized. Yeah.
So how about Subsquare? I mean, we talked about decentralized governance, and OpenGov is on Polkadot, right? It's a decentralized governance, and Subsquare is like the user interface for OpenGov. So can you talk more about Subsquare? Walk us through the concept of Subsquare.
Challenges, right?
The concept first, and then we talk about the pros and the cons of Subsquare.
Concept?
Yeah, the concept of Subsquare.
Concept of Subsquare.
What is Subsquare?
Subsquare, okay. People know Subsquare as a governance platform,
Yeah.
but it's not limited as a governance fronted solution for Polkadot. Currently, we are expand Subsquare as a full DApps, full featured DApps for Polkadot. Currently, we are
What does it mean by that? Like full feature? Some of the key features. What are
yeah,
they?
not just the features for governance, but also like the asset management. Currently, we implemented some features for Portal Asset Hub. We can transfer assets. We can teleport assets, teleport dot from religion to asset hub. Yeah, by XCM, and we also have plans to do other features like the maybe call time. Recently, we are implementing the Portal fellowship features like the member management and the salary system. Yeah, for Portal fellowship. You know that, right?
Fellowship.
Yeah. Portal fellowship is different from fellowship on Kusama or other chains. It's more complicated. Like they have a complex membership management system and the salary system. They have their self-referenda palette and their subtrary. Yeah, so it's a subsystem. Yeah.
I see. So on OpenGov, they spark controversy, right? So they always talk about how dot holders they can manipulate the decision. So how do you think about this first?
Okay. I think the purpose, one of the most important purpose of democracy is to make right decisions based on collective intelligence. Yeah,
Collective intelligence.
yeah, collective intelligence. This is the purpose for democracy, in my opinion.
Not all opinion, but collective one. Only the collective opinions. So with people with dots, for example,
Yeah,
on OpenGov.
yeah,
So if people have more dots, then they have more rights.
yeah.
So that's why it's create the controversy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what I want to talk about. We want collective intelligence for democracy, but currently the decision is made by wills, mostly by wills, right? This is not collective intelligence; it's wills intelligence. So
So which one? Which one is on OpenGov right now? The
wills intelligence.
Will's intelligence.
Yeah.
I see.
OpenGov is more advanced than governance one. You know governance one, right?
Governance.
Governance one, the version one. The most controversy is about the treasury spending. Yeah, in governance one, the treasury spending is decided by councillors. Yeah, councillors usually expected the councillors will change, but usually not. Yeah, so OpenGov is more advanced than governance one, but it's still not perfect. Governance one, the stress spending is decided by councillors, a set of people. It's a collective, but
Collect them first and then transfer.
transfer to OpenGov. But in OpenGov, is usually it's decided by wills. Yeah, become better when Web3 Foundation adopt the DV. Yeah, it become better, but it's still
DV is
decentralized
decentralized
voices.
voice.
But it's still wheels are still playing very important roles. Yeah,
It's a process, right? So you gather more and more comments from the community, and then you
this is a problem. So it's wheels intelligence, not very perfect for collective intelligence.
I see.
Collective intelligence means everybody's intelligence. Yeah. So events, I will talk about the explorer. How can we introduce quadratic funding to Polkadot? Quadratic funding works well in the Ethereum ecosystem. Yeah. Quadratic funding, I think, it limit the wheels power, and people have to do donation to vote, not just use their dot lock. Currently, we lock our dot to vote, but in quadratic funding, people have to donate their tokens to vote. But there are problems that we how to incentivize these donations. Yeah, but this is another problem. But we want to introduce the quadratic funding to current governance of Polkadot.
Is that a new mechanism?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's option, not though it's option, but it's all auditable. All the data is on-chain. This process, the audit or calculation process is option. Yeah, but the donation process and the fund distribution process is on-chain. It's fully auditable. Yeah.
But you just talk about the mechanism,
Solution.
the new one.
Yeah.
That's already the solution, right?
Yes.
So yeah, from time to time.
But quadratic funding is not. We don't mean to take over the OpenGov. It's a supplement to current governance. Yeah.
Like a tools.
Tools like a tool, but I mean, treasury spending can be spent in two ways. Maybe in quadratic funding is just add another way for the treasury spending. Currently, projects can still apply funds through OpenGov. But
I see.
Yeah, maybe for some similar products like marketing or something, we can create a channel for these projects, and they can apply the quadratic funding. So these projects can share a public pool based on the community's donation. Yeah,
I see.
this is just another way. So our governance should have multiple ways. Yeah, for especially for the treasury spending. Yeah.
Is it on like experiments so that you can see like which way is better, or it can parallel go with each other?
Parallel, yeah,
Yeah,
kind of
parallel.
in parallel.
So like community can choose either the choice. So how do you think it can improve the community?
Fairness,
With transparency, auditable.
collective intelligence.
I see.
Vs the will's intelligence, collective intelligence, will's intelligence. Yeah.
Wait, so collective and wills are like you want them to go with each other, or more of the wills one, or more of collective?
Collective intelligence or community's intelligence,
Ah.
all people's intelligence.
So that's the democracy.
Yeah,
one.
this is,
Yeah.
in my opinion, is real democracy. This is,
Just one
yeah,
part.
Will's,
Yeah,
Will's
one part.
Richmond's party. Yeah,
I see.
Richmond's party.
I
This
see.
is all people, all brains. Yeah, yeah.
So compared to OpenGov, there are other decentralized governance model on different ecosystem.
Yeah.
So how do you think compared to the OpenGov on Polkadot, there's like strength and weaknesses? How do you think about
I'm not I'm not an expert for all blockchains.
Yeah.
Just now I talked about the Quadratic funding. Quadratic funding is from Ethereum community. In my opinion, it works well and it's relatively fair. Yeah, fair.
But not, is it completely decentralized? That's
It's
one point.
decentralized. It's
Decentralized.
decentralized. It's all auditable. Yeah. People do donation by transferring their dot to the project's address. So it's on chain. But some data is off chain. We need to give donators one weight for the final score. Our project will get some score from the donators. How many funds they received from the donators and how many donators they have. So in one word, it's the board. A project receive the fund. The moon a project will get from a public pool. Yeah. So it's more fair than OpenGov. Yeah. OpenGov is
It's more fair than OpenGov.
Yeah.
Then that's the weakness of like there can be, that's the weakness that can be improved in OpenGov.
Sure. OpenGov especially for the treasury spending. Yeah.
What's the biggest strength that you think in OpenGov compared to other ecosystem?
The final decision can be executed on chain, and the forklifts.
Sure.
Yeah, forklifts upgrade, many other and on chain holder fellowship. Yeah, like
That's
this,
one.
all on chain organizations and on chain ambassadors. Yeah, these things actually are talked by many many people. So I didn't talk about these advantages. I want to talk more about the disadvantages, the problems. This
So that
is
you
what
can
we
solve
should
it.
solve. Yeah,
Understand.
yeah. Many people talk about how Portal is
How good
great.
it
Portal is advanced than most other projects. Yeah, but most of us know it. Yeah, but we should face the problems, solve the problems, make a
Better.
yeah, make it better, and so only in this we can improve Bottle, yeah, and get more users. Yeah,
That's our final goal, right? Get more users.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
onboard more.
yeah.
So
absolutely.
looking ahead, so what is it? What is the upcoming plan for Subsquare? So that we can keep improving all the features for the community, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So
not just first one is make it more decentralized. People the option data won't just saved in our centralized database. The date is stored in IPFS, not IPFS chains like Crust or Airwave, and the CID is stored in Polkadot. Yeah, So it's decentralized. This is one work. Another work is make it more features, not just about governance. Yeah.
Any like near plans that or any new features that you're about to launch on Subsquare that you can share, like right now, if can.
Sorry. Sorry.
But do we have any upcoming plans for
Upcoming
Subsquare?
plans.
Yeah, events or even maybe not events, just new features, right? And you could talk about
Quarter. We just finished the fellowship, Portal Fellowship milestone 2. Maybe we'll have some new features for Portal Fellowship, and we will expand Subsquare by. We have many plans actually. Yeah, we finished the basic features for Portal Asset Hub. Like, kind of we can transfer. We can see how many assets we have. Maybe next plan is maybe core time
core time,
and the Quadratic funding.
crochet.
Quadratic funding.
Ah,
Just now we talk
I see,
it.
I see,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see. So when will that happen? Will that be?
Quadratic funding. We will first maybe create a wish for change referendum. Yeah,
I see, I
maybe,
see.
maybe.
Maybe,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. You know the wish for change track requires 20,000 dot deposit. So, so yeah.
So yeah, I mean, hopefully, like we can see that in the future as well. Yeah. So I think we cover most of the concept, and also we point out a lot of good and the bad features, weaknesses, strengths of decentralized governance in general. So thank you for coming. Thank you for making your time here.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.